So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to search for an ETF here on Google Finance. So once you open up Google Finance, I want you to go to the main screen right here. I want you to first and foremost go to your markets right here, so you can go ahead and type in whatever market you're looking for. This isn't really actually impacted though, but if you want to get a different sense, you can do that. Go to where it says search for stocks, ETFs, and more, then press on ETF right here. And when you're looking for ETFs, you can go ahead and either find a suggestion for you, or you can type whatever one you want. So if you wanted to type in ticker symbol VFV, for instance, you can go ahead. It'll show you the the ETFs that are being shown right here. If you wanted to search up another ticker symbol, so we'll just start with the P, for example. These are the ones with P's or whatever. So let's go to TQQQ as an example, and there you go. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to search for an ETF on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.